decoration, ornamentation all throughout this building is almost like we're looking at a giant wedding cake there. Now this building itself is covered in 250,000 terracotta tiles.
Can you hold this really quick?
250,000 terracotta tiles. So terracotta, as you may know, that very sensitive, oven-baked porcelain-like material. So sensitive, in fact, that this building here has to be hand-washed. We like to call this our diva on the river. You cannot pressure wash the diva. Oh no, you'll mess up her makeup. Hand wash only.
Welcome back. Today is an exciting day because it's my birthday. So, yeah. Mom put a banner on top of my wall or door. That's exciting. It says hashtag awesome. Say hi, Mom. Hi. So, welcome back. I'm sitting in my room about to get ready for my birthday festivities. If I didn't say it before, I'm doing a transformation video. I don't know, I'm like bad at this. But yeah, I am doing a transformation video. So you are about to see me go from ugly to less ugly. Now makeup is done. So now I'm just gonna do my hair and then I'll come back and show you my hair and then you can also see my outfit. Did you put your flash on? Huh? Did you put your flash on? Or are you video? Okay. I was able to pick up on your light. Okay.
We have some
Oh my goodness.
What's the last one? We have one of those.
Either one is fine. Yeah, that's
Alright, so we have right here, so we have a chicken right here, we have beef ribs on the sides, and then we have lamb. These ones are gonna be. Wow. And also we have the mushrooms right here with corn on top.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you. So I heard it's chopsticks because it's fried rice. So it has like Asian cuisine background.
Right.
You got salmon and what else? What else is in the dish? Oh, ratatouille.
He's coming.
Thank you.
Like yours is definitely European inspired.
I don't even know what this is. Oh, is that butter? It looks like it.
It smells like it. But it's seasoned.